Hello and welcome to this quick Displace Paint tutorial. In this tutorial we will be going over how to use image textures with Displace Painter. To begin, I have my quick cube that I subdivided and then painted like this. And right now it's set to the noise texture, and as you can see things don't look the best. You can even see that we have little bits overlapping here. If we were to move this down, that would fix it, but we don't want that, so we're going to set this to 0.5. And then under texture, go to image or movie, and I've already opened the all the images I want, so we are going to go and select this one. And then under mapping, we have crop and scale. And changing this you can see it can affect things. Look, we're actually going to increase the strength to 1 so we can hopefully see what we're doing. And now you might notice that up here we get something that might be the texture, but here we just get lines. And that's not what we want. So if you come up to the Displace up here, under coordinates, you need to set it to UV. And now you have it the same for each side, but that is dependent on the UV map, so you might need to UV unwrap objects. Global doesn't really work. Object, I actually don't know. Another thing is, right now it's a little hard to see. If you increase the subdivisions, you can see the texture way more. And now you can see that we have something that actually is pretty nice. And again, you can come and adjust the crop and scale, though now that we have the subdivisions, it's a little slower. But that looks good. The second object I have here is this plane. And this one actually already looks like it has a sci-fi like texture on it, and that is because we are using the cell noise, which is one of the best ways to do it as a procedural texture. We're going to go and set this to image or movie. And this one, go to mapping, that. Let's increase the subdivisions. There we go. And one thing to notice is that we didn't actually change any of the coordinates to UV or anything. It was still set to local. That is because this is a plane that is easily, Blender can easily figure out which direction to display the texture on, compared to where we have multiple sides. It doesn't know which side is up. We can also change this and adjust it, and even now we can still use the color options to change the contrast of the image texture, the brightness. These are the ones I have and that are included as displacement maps are only black and white or grayscale, so they don't have color. Sampling, repeat. You can also play with these settings. Checker could be interesting sometimes. You do weird stuff. But repeat seems to be the best option for most cases. So yeah, I think that's just about everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.